Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Karlene and this week I am taking you along for a shopping spree. I have a wish list of items that I am trying to find to add some coziness and warmth and character to my home to make it nice and inviting for my friends and family this winter season. Come along with me as I visit a local antique store and some thrift shops, and stick around to the end where I show you my haul of everything that I found. And please subscribe if you want to see how I style them and make them over to suit my family and home. Grab yourself a warm drink, cozy on up, and let's see what I can find off my wish list. If you are in your homemaking era and are looking for easy recipes and simple living, then please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Now, I don't know about you, but I find that if I don't have a list of items that I'm searching for, I tend to get a little bit lost in the thrift shop or op shop, whatever you want to call it. I get sidetracked, I get inspired, I get a little bit of like ADHD brain where I'm like, oh, look at that, oh, look at this, oh, look at that. And I need to keep myself in check in order to try and actually find what I'm looking for. So on my list, this shopping spree is fabric that I can repurpose to make throw cushions for the couch and guest room. I'm looking for a salt and pepper shaker for my dining room table, lamps and floor lamps to add a sense of warmth and cozy vibes to my living area and guest room, candle jars or vessels that I can repurpose as I'm going to be making some more candles to gift to friends. If you want to see my latest video where I make spiced pumpkin latte candles, I will link that one below. I'm looking forward to making more of those. I am also looking for some serving platters and vintage pieces that will add character to my dining and kitchen. But of course, there's always room for other random items. So if you were into DIY, then you're definitely in the right spot. If you would like to see my last thrift video, I will also link that below if these are the types of videos that you enjoy. Okay, welcome back home. We're in my rumpus room where my kids play and there's toys everywhere. And you will never guess, I've had the most luck this week. I got this set of tables and chairs. These chairs look so familiar, right? Like that one in that antique store. Except I got this whole set for, get this, well, guess how much? Comment below and tell me how much you reckon I paid for this. There is a fourth chair, it's just put aside because there is a crack in it and I need to repair it. $20 for this whole set. I was so happy. I do need to give it a good scrub down, a sand back, and I'm going to paint it. What color do you think I should paint it? It is a very dark, old school looking timber now. I do love cottagecore vibes, something cozy, so let me know what you think. I found this lampshade. So these things what I found were from Salvation Army, except for the table and chairs. So this I found at Salvation Army, and I'm going to put it, I was going to make one exactly like this but with a gingham fabric, but when I saw this I just thought perfect, I'll clean that up, I'll just use it as it is for like an antique style lamp that I already have. I just needed the lampshade. I bought this lampshade because I'm looking for a floor lamp like the one that we saw for $155, but I'm going to try and thrift one a little bit cheaper than that. And then this lamp was a giveaway, a timber lamp giveaway, so that's going to be another project for me to do too. And then I also got this little cookie jar from the Salvation Army because I thought that would be really sweet with some fresh flowers in it. So if you want to see me make over these items on a budget, creating some character for my home that is warm and cozy and inviting, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video. Let's play a game. If you saw something at the thrift shop or the antique shop and you thought, yes, she will definitely buy that, comment below and tell me what you think I brought home. Did you guess right on this one? I loved this plate and I looked it up. It is a legit Elijah Cotton Lord Nelson wear plate and I paid 10% of what it's actually worth. Apparently, anyway. But I just loved the image on it. I thought it was so beautiful and I had to have it. I also picked up these little, almost like dairy milk style glass little vases. I thought they would be really sweet to spread out cut flowers and cuttings throughout my home, a little propagation station, or give them, fresh flowers to a neighbor. And it's okay if it doesn't come home because it's, $1. Do you remember these mugs in my last, I think it was one of my last thrift videos, the thrift haul that I did? I was so full of regret when I didn't buy them because I did plan on making a little coffee nook for our guest area when guests come to stay so they don't have to come into the main part of the house to make a cuppa late at night, early in the morning. So I snagged those and I am going to try again at making some sauerkraut from scratch at home. Trying to teach myself some new skills this winter, so that's why I bought that. And I couldn't leave without this picture. I loved it, so stay tuned on a upcoming project for this. And look at this beautiful piece of furniture that I found. This was another one off of Facebook Marketplace. This is going to be my little coffee nook area for our guests. The last lady put these beautiful little ceramic handles on them, so I love those. I love the little, I can't remember what you call this, divots, where you can, stand up plates and display them. I love the details in it. I love the cottagecore vibes it has. It is so sweet. It is exactly what I've been looking for this space because it's not very wide here and I cannot wait to make this over and create a little warm, inviting space for our guests. Such a great buy. I'm so happy with it. Now that is everything that I have to share in this haul. I ended up finding some at the thrift shop, some surprisingly on Facebook Marketplace. They were happy surprises. I didn't plan on finding those this week while I was thrifting and had the itch to go antique shopping, but I'm so happy that I found them. Okay guys, that wraps up this video for this week. Thank you so much for choosing to spend your precious time with me. Thank you for clicking on this video. I will link some other videos that I think you might like below if you want to learn how to cook once and eat twice, making life a bit easier for yourself. I will link some videos below and I hope you have a wonderful week. See you in my next video. Bye for now.